In this video series, we present the instructions to build one of the pergola awning designs available on our website. See the link in the description. Building a pergola awning like this can greatly improve the curb appeal of your house by adding visual interest and depth. Also, these awnings provide a bit of shade in warmer months, which is a welcome relief. While the specific instructions might not be the same for the design you are using, the general process is similar. For this sample awning, we're mounting to a brick facade, but our plans include options for mounting to just about any type of wall covering you can imagine, including concrete, cinder block, vinyl, wood, metal, and panel siding, stone veneer, and stucco. The process starts by measuring the width of the opening you're looking to cover with the awning, in this case about 47 inches. Your plans include access to both an Excel spreadsheet and a similar online Google Docs spreadsheet that provides a full bill of materials for your installation. To use it, you enter the width of the opening, including any trim you need to span over. You can adjust the bracket types for the end and interior, but we recommend leaving these as is unless you know what you're doing. And finally, select the cladding type for the wall you're installing this on. If you're using the online Google Doc, give this a couple seconds to update the bill of materials with the proper items and measurements. After the list is updated, you can print it off for reference. Simply select the cells for the bill of materials and then go to File, Print. And then change the print area to Selected Cells so that only the bill of materials prints. You can then send this to your desktop printer. Note that the list has all of the exact cut lengths of the materials, and it will be necessary to condense this list into purchasable board lengths. For example, if you need 4 pieces of 2x6 by 2 feet long, you can buy a single 8 foot long 2x6 and cut the pieces from it. Now that we have the bill of materials all worked out for our awning, we'll move on to cutting the pieces out. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll start with the rafters.